recent years, the demand for IT jobs has been increasing significantly, with many companies and organizations seeking skilled professionals to manage the rapidly advancing digital infrastructure. As technology becomes more pervasive in our lives, the need for knowledgeable IT professionals to manage these systems and networks is becoming increasingly important. With the ever-increasing speed of technological advances, IT professionals must remain ahead of the curve if they want to stay competitive in today's job market. This means having a strong understanding of networks, coding languages, and data security. Along with the technical skills necessary for IT professionals, there are also certain soft skills that are considered important in this field. These include a strong understanding of communication and problem-solving abilities, excellent organization skills, as well as business literacy in some cases. A successful IT professional should be able to manage many different tasks simultaneously and provide added value to the business. The future of IT jobs is looking bright, with more companies recognizing the need for qualified personnel to manage their systems. The demand for IT professionals is expected to increase significantly in coming years as new technologies continue to emerge and develop. So if you're thinking of a career in IT, watch along. In this video, I'm going to give you a rundown of the top 8 most in-demand IT jobs right now. Cloud computing. Cloud computing is an umbrella term for distributed computing that focuses on services, data, and programs delivered over the internet. This means that complex tasks can be accomplished remotely, rather than at the same physical location. Cloud computing is becoming increasingly important, particularly in the business world, as businesses seek to outsource their IT operations and gain access to powerful computing resources from any device with an internet connection. This makes it a great career choice for those who are interested in working with both hardware and software. The average salary for a cloud computing professional is around $115,000 per year and upwards of $140,000 for cloud architect or cloud solutions engineer. Cybersecurity. Cybersecurity is a key component of any IT infrastructure and is essential for protecting the integrity and confidentiality of digital data. Cybersecurity professionals are responsible for deploying measures to protect networks from malicious attacks, monitoring network activity, and responding to security incidents. They must also stay up to date on security threats and trends in order to keep their organization's systems safe. The average salary for a cybersecurity professional is around $97,000 per year and upwards of $130,000 for senior level positions. Artificial intelligence, or AI. AI is a branch of computer science that seeks to create intelligent machines capable of mimicking human behavior. AI has become increasingly pervasive in our lives, from virtual assistants to self-driving cars, and it is expected to continue to grow. For those interested in the field, you will need strong technical analysis such as coding and data analysis, as well as understanding of machine learning and natural language processing. The average salary for an AI professional is around $105,000 per year and upwards of $150,000 for lead positions. Machine learning, or ML. ML is a subset of AI that focuses on the development of algorithms which enable computers to learn from data. ML has been used in a variety of industries, including healthcare, finance, and manufacturing. To pursue a career in this field, you will need advanced knowledge of programming languages such as Python and R, as well as an understanding of statistics and probability. The average salary for a machine learning professional is around $100,000 per year and upwards of $150,000 for lead positions. Data science and business intelligence. Data science is the process of extracting valuable insights from large amounts of data through analysis and statistical methods. Data scientists are responsible for organizing and analyzing data to identify meaningful patterns or trends which can be used to inform business decisions. They must also be adept at using programming languages such as SQL and Python. Business intelligence is the process of turning data into actionable insights that help companies make more informed business decisions. BI professionals must be able to analyze data from various sources, develop reporting and analytic solutions, and present their findings in an easy-to-understand manner. The average salary for both data science and business intelligence professionals is around $100,000 per year and upwards of $140,000 for lead positions. DevOps engineer. DevOps is a software engineering practice that combines development and operations processes to enable organizations to deploy new applications quickly and reliably. DevOps engineers are responsible for managing the entire lifecycle of an application, from coding, testing, and deployment to maintenance and troubleshooting. They must also have strong knowledge of automation tools such as Chef, Puppet, Jenkins, and Ansible. The average salary for a DevOps engineer is around $110,000 per year and upwards of $140,000 for senior positions. Full-stack developer. Full-stack developers are responsible for developing both the front and back end of an application. They must have strong knowledge of web development technologies such as HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, as well as server-side scripting languages such as PHP and Python. A full-stack developer must also be adept at designing databases, implementing security measures, and troubleshooting any issues that arise. The average salary for a full-stack developer is around $103,000 per year and upwards of $140,000 for senior positions. Amazon Web Services or AWS developer. AWS is a cloud computing platform used by many companies to develop, deploy, and manage applications. An AWS developer is responsible for building and maintaining applications on the AWS platform, as well as ensuring that they are secure and performant. These professionals must have strong knowledge of serverless computing, infrastructure automation, and container technologies such as Docker. The average salary for an AWS developer is around $112,000 per year and upwards of $145,000 for senior positions. These positions are expected to have high demand due to the increasing reliance on technology in various industries and the need for skilled professionals to manage and secure technology systems and processes. Landing a tech job requires a combination of technical skills, education, and the right mindset. To begin with, obtaining a relevant degree or certification in the field of technology can demonstrate your commitment and knowledge in the industry. However, having a degree alone is not enough. You need to have hands-on experience and be able to demonstrate your technical abilities through a portfolio or previous projects. Additionally, having a growth mindset and being open to continuous learning and improvement will set you apart from other candidates. Employers value professionals who are proactive, creative problem solvers, and are able to adapt to new technologies and processes. Networking and building relationships within the industry can also help open doors for potential job opportunities. A combination of education, hands-on experience, and a positive mindset can greatly increase your chances of landing a successful tech job. Finally, you can start searching for job openings through websites such as simplify.jobs and dice.com. You can also use websites such as codepath.org to kickstart your tech career as they provide career guidance and technical courses. If you found this video useful, please share it with your friends.